Y'all, I got some clay. So we're gonna be getting a lot of pottery videos in my pottery account on Instagram. Go, follow, and on here probably. Ah! Yes! I'm gonna make so many vases. I'm gonna make so many mugs. Oh my. I have so many ideas. Okay, so I have an unboxing video for y'all because my mom and I went to go buy clay so I can make some pottery. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I've been doing like pottery for like a while now. Anyways, so this is an unboxing video. And this, yeah, so you guys can see the clay that I bought, and we're opening this. I cannot speak. We are opening this together because I have not opened this yet, and I do know what the color looks like, but it might look different from like what I was shown. So we're gonna see. And this clay is P300, if you're wondering. It's kind of heavy. It's like 44 pounds, but I'm pretty excited. I've never had my own box of clay, so let's see. I need to go grab something to open this. It's just reminding me of my days in like high school, and I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take it out for y'all. So let me just. Ta-da! This is the clay. I don't know if y'all can see it in the frame, but yes! I'm so happy. It was just like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the same one I used in high school. It is so nice. I'm just thinking of all the stuff I can make with it. I'm thinking like I'm making something today, like right now. I don't know, should I? I think I am. But that's gonna be a separate video. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. I'm gonna keep the other one in the box. Anyways, so like I said before, this is P300 and I'm pretty sure what it said there's porcelain. I'm pretty sure this one's the one he said that glazes on fires on medium. So I hope that works with where I'm firing it. But it's so like, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna make something today. Yeah. Oh, and I also got some tools. I should show you guys. Wait, I'll be back. I'm back, like I said. Okay, so I got some tools. I already had a sponge I was using, but these are like the must-have tools for if you're doing pottery. So we have like here like the wire. We got like everything. Well, all like the beginner things we need for pottery. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go make something and I'll show y'all. I'm gonna actually open this. Yeah, I'm gonna open this and explain what everything is. Okay. So I don't know if I'm supposed to keep it in this bag or not. I'm just kind of, let's see. I don't know. Okay, this is, I don't know if I'm supposed to keep it in this bag. This is not coming out. Do I? Or do I take it out? I do not know. Something just fell out. Found it. Okay, it's the... You're kidding. Is it broken? Oh, no. Okay, so this is the wire. Let me see if I can take it out really carefully. So this is to... Oh! It's this is to take, like, cut the pottery. Oh, it's like unraveling really. Okay. I don't know what it's trying to do. So this is the wire. You pretty much like go like this, twist around your hands, and you take off like the pottery from the bottom to like cut it. So then you can put it onto like a plate thing, and then it can dry. So that's super important. And that came out with the scraper thing. That's what it says on here. I'm going based off the names it has on here. But yeah, and there's like this scraper tool. This is good to take like this extra slip off. Oh, this one's new. Like you can literally, it's new. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna keep this stuff in here because it's actually so bad. Like it's so hard to take it out. Like I can't take it out. If y'all are witnessing me struggle. Okay, I'm gonna take these all out and then get back to y'all. Okay, finally, it's over. That actually took way too long, and I had to cut it off because, like, it wasn't. I don't even. Was that? I don't even know. Anyways, so it comes with a sponge. Yeah, that's to put water and then keep the pottery like watery, moist, because you don't want to be working with dry clay. Which one's this one called? What? Oh, this is it's called. Wood modeling tool. I think you could also use this for like cool designs too. It has like, it's kind of like curved there. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if it's focusing, but yeah, it's kind of like curved there. Honestly, in my years in ceramics, I never really used this. That's just personally, I never used this one. Oh, but I did use this one. This one's really new. This one's so, they're all so new. It's so weird having such new, like, okay. Loop tool, that's what I'm saying. You can use this to make, like, I would use, was it this one? You can use this to make, like, the foot. Or, like, carved designs, too, I feel like any of the carving ones you can use. Also, I'm not an expert. I'm just saying from what I know. And I'm not an expert, so, like, yeah, this one, not gonna lie, I use this one for the, to make the foot too. This is a ribbon tool. You can also, from what it's telling me on this paper thing, it's saying you can use it for designs on the side and stuff. Then what do we have here? Oh yeah, this is, needle tool. Yeah, that one you can, I use this type of one for like scoring. And you can also, when the top is like wobbly, you can like put this in and then cut it off. Now, everything I'm saying is probably going to be in another video, so stay tuned. We'll see if I actually upload it. But it has a little cover, which we never had those covers before. We just put them in a thing. I already talked about this wood rib tool, right? It's pretty much that, but this is if you can use it for like the plate and the clay to like take off the little excess that like builds up there. That's what I would use it for. Yeah, that's everything that it came with. And then I already showed you the wire. I already showed you everything. Yeah. Oh yeah, also you can use the wire to cut, I don't know if it's in frame, but you can use it to cut the clay, like any chunk you want. And then you weigh the clay depending on what you want. I kind of eyeball it. Because like I don't have a weight thing here. Yeah. Guess we're gonna have to eyeball it. I think I kind of want to make like a little vase or a mug. So I might do that right now. And then I'll have to let it like air dry and everything. And I have to make a bunch of different stuff so then I can take it to get fired and then glaze it. And oh, this is so exciting. Anyways, that was my unboxing video, which is probably part 1, and then part 2 is probably going to be me filming me making the clay. But yeah, that's part 1. Hope you enjoyed. And the rest of the stuff is going to be at the end of the video. Bye!